Well, that was an unbelievably disappointing hatch there with the half dozen eggs from my farm and the dozen from Fat Hen Farms. Only 2 chicks from my eggs hatched, and one of them's not quite fully formed yet, so I'm going to keep it in here, but I do need to change out the thermostat with another one, so we're going to hurry up and do that right now. Just got to change this out real quick. I think we're having problems with it. Okay. Look at that. Just need to get this white part off so we can see this. Here we got the 1 and 2. White on top, green on the bottom. You right with you, Doodles? Ew. Right. That bulb is still hot. Let's take this little troublemaker out of here. Now we've got our new thermostat here. And put it upright like this and hope that the white still goes on top and the green still goes here. 1 and 2, yeah. Get these open nice and wide. Little doo-doo-doo. Yeah, this second chick isn't quite fully formed yet in here. It's the only reason they're still in here on the brooder when I need to get the quail in here. Brooder. Incubator. That's why they're still in the incubator when I need to put the quail eggs in here. Yeah, you want to come out, I know. I don't blame you. Been in here too long, huh? I'm waiting for your buddy to play catch-up. Formed a little prematurely, I guess. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Snug that down. Because this one was way up here before. Looks like 2 screws are needed, but let's get this one in here for now and get this turned back on until this other chick can hatch, and then I'll worry about getting a second screw in here. Okay. Alright. We got our new thermostat installed here. Needs 1 more screw, but we're going to worry about that later. What happens? Looks like a successful install. Hopefully that'll turn off at the right temperature. Well guys, yes, I changed out the thermostat and the incubator, but I have just changed it back because unfortunately the new thermostat, it took me over a day to get it dialed in where it was shutting off at about 101.5 degrees. It's about the hottest I wanted it to go. And when it shut off, it would drop all the way down to 95 degrees, a 10-degree difference before it kicked on again. And I can't have that type of temperature swing in my incubator, so until I find another solution here, I might need one of those more expensive fancy schmancy fermentation thermostat things to put in here. Something a little more on the ball than just a hot water thermostat. It's the lower thermostat for a hot water tank heater, in case anyone's wondering on the details, but yipes. So we're trying to get back up to temperature in here, and yeah, I've got to fix this. That last hatch was a disaster, and Now I got these poor quail eggs in here that I'm desperately trying to get regulated so they're happy.